Phul Dayi is the annual traditional festival celebrated in which state marks the onset of the spring season. Uttarakhand. The world's first ever flying car is going to be developed in which states of India? Gujarat. Which state has launched the two schemes CMAST and CMAT for the welfare of the sportspersons and artists of the state? Manipur. How much amount has been pledged by India towards the COVID-19 emergency fund for SAARC nations proposed by PM Narendra Modi? $10 million. The Yoga Commission Yog Ayog will be established in which state? Haryana. Which team has won the domestic cricket tournament Vijay Hazare Trophy 2020-21? Mumbai. What is the theme of the International Day of Action for Rivers 2021? Rights of Rivers. Achanta Sharat Kamal is an Indian player related to which sports? Table tennis. The Arjuna Sahayak irrigation project will be expanded in which state? Uttar Pradesh. What is the rank of India in the Women on Board 2020 report released by myhiringclub.com and sarkarinaukari.info? 12. Who has claimed the men's single title of 2020 All England Badminton Championship? Victor Eriksson. The International Happiness Day is celebrated on which date? March 20. Who is the author of the biography on former Goa CM Manohar Parrikar titled An Extraordinary Life, a biography of Manohar Parrikar? Sadhguru Patil and Mahabhushan Nagvinkar. India is going to host the 2021 Asian Boxing Championship in May at which city? New Delhi. Which is the most polluted city in the world according to the IQ Air 2020 World Air Quality Report? Xinjiang.